Today's lesson is solving percent problems, and our goal is that we can solve percent problems using proportions. Vocabulary. What does percent mean? The answer is out of per 100 cent. The actual definition is a ratio whose denominator is 100, so that's the percent out of 100. So holy cow, that's big. Alright, so use the following proportion template to find any missing part of a percent problem. So you have part over whole equals percent out of 100. You will also have probably here is over of equals percent over 100. Okay? Alright, moving on. Guided practice. What percent of 30 is 3? So remember I said is over of. So is your 3, that's your part. Of, that's your whole, your 30. The 100 always goes right here. And this is our unknown, our x. Okay? Okay, so just like you did with solving proportions before our last test, you're going to do 3 times 100 and divide that by 30. So you get 300 divided by 30, which is 10. So x is equal to 10, which is 10%. Okay, that's the percent we're looking for. So you have to remember that this right here is a percentage. Okay? All right, next we have 51 is 17% of what number? So we've got our, this is always our percent part, so it's 17%. Okay, you don't need the percent sign. And then 51 is 15%. So 51 lines up with our part, and then this is the part we're looking for. Okay? So now, some of you may recognize that 51 and 17 are factor, that 17 is a factor of 51, but if you don't, then you just do 51 times 100 divided by 17. Okay, so 100 times 51 divided by 17, and you get 300. So x is equal to 300. So that's our whole. All right. And our last one on this page, what number is 14% of 350? So we have 100 here. We have 14% of is our whole, so 350. And we're trying to find the part. So you're going to do 350 times 14 and divide that by 100, and you get 49. X equals 49. Okay? Because remember, you multiply the ones that are across from each other and divide by the one that's left out. Okay, moving on. Excuse me. All right, a bag of 150 stickers contains 34% green stickers. Write and solve a proportion to find the amount of green stickers in the bag. It may help to rewrite the problem using blank is blank percent of blank. If you can get it into that format, it's always going to help you to figure out the rest of it. So, a bag of 150 stickers. So that goes here, 34%. And we're trying to figure out the number of green, right? So I think this is our unknown. Okay, so we get 100 on the bottom, 34 on the top, 150 is the total number of stickers in the bag. So 34 times 150 divided by 100, and we get 51. I forgot to put my X there. All right, 51 green stickers. Okay. On your own. So what you're going to do is pause this, do these problems, and come back, and then you'll look at how I've worked them out. Okay? So what percent of 40 is 16? I always start with writing this out. This is my unknown. What percent of 40 is 16? So it's going to look like that. All right, so 100 times 16 divided by 40 is going to give me 40. And that's a percentage for your answer because it's in the percent spot. Okay? Switch up colors a little bit here. 28 is 80% of what number? So 28%, 28 is 80%, so it goes up top. Okay, so 28 times 100 divided by 80 is 35. So 35 is our whole. Okay, all right. What is 75% of 40? So again, 100's here, 75 is here, 44 is our whole. Oops, 74. Okay, so our x is here, so it's 44 times 75 divided by 100, and we get 33. And the last one, we've got 100 on the bottom. What percent, so we know that's the part we don't know, of 600, that's our whole, is 180. That's our part. So 180 times 100 divided by 600. So we multiply across and divide by the one that was left out of that cross. And we get that x is 30%. All right. That is our lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, come see me.